SprintRay Midas is the first 3D printer designed to combine power and simplicity in a compact device. It uses Digital Press Stereolithography, a system that uses positive pressure inside the printing chamber. It works with high-viscosity, highly resistant resins that traditional printers cannot handle. It paves the way for new biomaterials and increasingly strong, durable restorations. No resin tanks, printing platforms, or troubles. Thanks to direct 45-micron projection and 385-nanometer UV light, it guarantees high precision and depth of polymerization in less than 10 minutes. This device has integrated AI tools that automatically generate restoration designs ready to be customized. The medical tracking system with QR codes simplifies batch and expiration date management, ensuring safety and regulatory compliance.